Although it may not meet the criteria for a strong sedan, the Mazda 6 offers exceptional value, notably in its design. It has a stylish and modern design, as well as a thin and powerful body, making it one of the recommended sedans for a low price. The front end of this automatic features Mazda's hallmark, and the backside has a contemporary style. Aging. Despite its low price, the 2024 Mazda 6 delivers excellence. Yet, we anticipate that the 2024 Mazda 6 will outperform the 2021 Mazda 6. It is predicted to produce more than 200 HP at 6,000 RPM and power of more than 200 lb-Vt at 4,000 RPM using a 2.5-liter engine with an inline 4-cylinder. 2024 Mazda X price. The base grade of the 2021 Mazda 6 costs $24,475. We believe in a 2024 Mazda 6 should cost between $25,000 and $27,000. Altogether, we believe a price rise of $500 to $3,000 is appropriate.